everyone. Do you invest in stock market? Do you invest in mutual fund or do you invest in IPO? So where do you get all this information at one platform? So here I am Romal and once again I am back with another new information for you. So I have done my research and I have spotted 3 best stock market apps. सो अगर आपको उसके लिए मुझे थैंक यू बोलना है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल रेनबो लाइक लाइफ बिकॉज देर इज़ नो चार्ज फॉर इट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव थम्स अप फॉर दिस वीडियो. So here we go and our first app is Money Control. Money Control is a very user friendly app and it is the first app that I personally started using for stock market updates and it is used by most of the Indians for stock market updates. So guys, our first step is Money Control. Now why Money Control? Because Money Control, here you will get every information like latest market data, latest quotes of stocks, then mutual fund related information, commodities, currencies, everything is available on this app. So here if we go step by step, then here we can see on the top of this section there is a top, it contains top news. See. Then after there is global indices information, Indian indices information, Sensex, Nifty 50. So guys, here there is my watch list option where you can add your stocks that you want to track daily. For example, if here I am adding HDFC AMC. In my watch list now it will be showing HDFC AMC because I want to track its details every day. Then after here you can create your own portfolio. Suppose you have purchased 5 TCS shares today, then in my portfolio you can add this stock and you can track your net worth here and today's gain, today's loss, etc. If you want to track details of mutual funds, that is also available in this application. Equity related mutual funds, here it is showing. Then after hybrid mutual fund information, so every mutual fund information is also available here. So now here I am showing you the main page of this application. Here you can select your option that you want to see information, like in news if you want to see information related to stocks, then you can select your stocks option. If you want to keep just one app for stock market updates, then Money Control is must have app for that. So our second best app for stock market updates is Stock Edge. So basically information provided in all the 3 apps will be same only, but I am using Stock Edge to track company announcements, company financial results, like if I want to track dividend announcements of the company, stock split announcement of the company, bonus share announcement of the company, then I find this app is very useful because here it is easy to track all this information. Plus here also we can come to know like what big investors are doing. So our second best step for stock market updates is Stock Edge. So at the top of the page you can see like here Nifty and Sensex information is available, FII cash activity information is available, Nifty 50 information is available. So here you can track your latest news and updates also. See, you can track here forthcoming events like upcoming events also. So in corporate section you can claim bonus news of the shares, then upcoming dividends of shares. Then in result section you can track upcoming results of the stocks. Then after here you can track FII DII activity also, major deals, bulk deals, block deals, insider deals. So here you can track what big investors are doing. So here you can track your IPO information, IPO news also, like latest upcoming IPOs, recent IPOs, listing of the IPOs. One more good thing is here you can see sector wise stock information. Like if I want to track for banking sector related stocks, then in banking I will select public bank private. So it will be showing all the private banks data related to stocks. All the information is available in Stock Edge application. So our second best app for stock market updates will be Stock Edge. So our third best app for stock market updates is AT Market. So what's special in this app is that if we want to track stock details on the basis of stock types, like if we want to track growth stocks, then if we want to track dividend yield stocks, then if we want to track penny stocks, then it is possible in this app. So guys, now our third best app for stock market updates is AT Market. So here we go. At the top of the page here we can see Nifty 50 informations, as BSE Sensex information, gold prices, US dollar prices. Then after it will be showing top news of the day. Then after it will be showing indices information. Then it will be showing today's gainers information, NSE on BSE, today's losers information on NSE and BSE. Here you can track top growth stocks, then stocks with regular payout, then mid cap growth stocks, best blue chip stocks, etc. So if I am selecting stock screener, then all the related stocks information will be available. If I want to track high dividend yield stocks, then it will be showing all the high dividend yield stock details, then recommendation for stocks, then expert views on the stock market. If you want to track any mutual fund information, that also you can do here. Then after here you can create your own portfolio. Also you can create your own watch list. Like if I want to add Infosys, then I will click on this plus option and can track this information also. Here particular news related to your script will be available. So this is all about AT Market app. So I hope this information will help you in selecting your best stock market app. And don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel Rainbow Like Life. Thank you.